Visual disabilities are sensory disabilities ranging from some amount of vision loss, loss of visual acuity, or increased or decreased sensitivity to specific or bright colors, to complete or uncorrectable loss of vision in either one or both eyes. The World Health Organization states that at least 2.2 billion people have vision impairment or blindness. Examples of visual disabilities include blindness, low vision, color deficiency, also known as color blindness, and deaf-blindness. First, blindness. Some people are completely blind, unable to see anything. Others can perceive light versus dark, or the general shapes of large objects, but cannot read text or recognize people by sight. Low vision. Permanently reduced vision that cannot be corrected with regular glasses, contact lenses, medicine, or surgery. Color vision deficiency. This impairs a person's ability to distinguish certain color combinations. Deaf-blindness includes both deafness and blindness. Most deaf-blind people are not completely deaf nor completely blind, but retain some hearing and sight. It is a rare condition that requires touch as the primary means of communication. People with visual disabilities experience barriers like materials, such as books, restaurant menus, and navigation aids, unavailable in alternate formats, such as digital files or Braille. Speakers who do not provide descriptions that would help with navigation or understanding information otherwise conveyed visually. Lack of transcripts of video or audio materials made available in Braille. In websites and other technologies, images, controls, and other structural elements without text alternatives. Lack of tactile sign language interpretation. Objects and travel paths that become obstacles.